So when those intercepts are given, the equation of a straight line can be written in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So the normal form or the perpendicular form of an equation of line is denoted by x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. Remember the condition: when the slopes are equal, the lines are parallel, or when two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Welcome to today's session. In our previous session, I have taught you various types of equations, writing the equation of a straight line, and in today's session we will be learning the intercept form and normal form of the equation of a line, and we will solve few problems related to all those types which we have learnt in our previous session also. First, let us look for intercept form and normal form. Now, what do you mean by intercept form of an equation? So here it is, the equation of a line which cuts off intercepts A and B respectively from the x-axis and y-axis. Suppose you have a x-axis and y-axis with origin O. If a straight line cuts x-axis at a distance B and y-axis at a distance A, that is, they are called as intercepts. So when those intercepts are given, the equation of a straight line can be written in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And this can also be converted in general form of an equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is actually the general equation of line, and all those are various types of writing the equation of line. So when the intercepts of a line is given, that is x and y intercepts both are given, then the equation of a straight line can be written in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So here we have a question. Find the equation of a line which makes intercepts -3 and 2 on the x and y axis respectively. So here -3 is the x-intercept and 2 is the y-intercept. So I'll take a is equal to -3, b is equal to 2. How we are going to represent the intercept form of an equation of line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now how you are going to write this? This in the form of x divided by a, which is -3, plus y divided by b, which is 2, is equal to 1. So this is the intercept form of writing a equation of line. Now you can convert this into general form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So take the LCM of -3 and 2. So you can take it as -6. So when you multiply -6 on both sides, you will get it as 2x minus 3y is equal to -6. Or the equation becomes 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the intercept form of an equation, and this is the general form of a equation. Next question is given. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Here they have given equal intercepts on both axes. So the x-intercept and y-intercepts are same. So that is nothing but given a is equal to b. Now what is the intercept form of an equation? We know that it is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now since a is equal to b, I can write x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, or you can write it as x plus y is equal to a. So take this as equation 1 now. Now since this equation or this line is passing through the point 2, 3, I can substitute the value of x as 2 and y as 3. Since line is passing through 2, 3, I can take x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, which is equal to a, or therefore the value of a is equal to 5. So now substitute the value of in equation 1. So therefore equation 1 implies equation of a line is x plus y is equal to 5. So this is the equation of the line having equal intercepts and passing through the point 2, 3. Next we come across a normal form or a perpendicular form of a line. So here is a line given and the perpendicular distance from the origin is denoted by small p and the inclination of angle along x-axis is given by omega, and the equation is represented in this form. This is called the normal form of an equation, or normal is nothing but the perpendicular. So perpendicular form of a equation of a line. X cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. Again, the derivation is not necessary for your examination. Only learn the equation and try to solve the equation or reduce it to general equation. So the normal form or the perpendicular form of an equation of line is denoted by x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p, where p is the perpendicular distance from the origin and omega is the angle of inclination of the perpendicular distance along with the x-axis. Here we have a question. Find the equation of the line whose perpendicular distance from the origin is 4 units and the angle which the normal makes with positive direction of x-axis is 15 degree. So here we have the perpendicular distance is given as 4 units and omega is given as 15 degree. So the general equation is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. First let us calculate cos omega and sin omega. So what is cos omega? Cos 15 degree and this is sin 15 degree. So cos 15 degree, again you can calculate using cos 45 minus 30 degree. So you can use the equation cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. So which is 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus here again 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, or you can write it as root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So this is for cos 15 degree. 45 minus 30 is nothing but 15 degree. Again, sin 15 degree can be calculated as sin 45 degree minus 30 degree, which is nothing but sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30 degree. So sin 45 1 by root 2 cos 30 is again root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So this is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So therefore the value of cos 15 degree is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Now what is my general equation? X cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. Substitute the values. X into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2, y into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2, which is equal to 4. So since you have 2 root 2 in the denominator, multiply 2 root 2 on both sides, you will get root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3 minus 1. So here it is minus into y is equal to 8 root 2. So you can also shift 8 root 2 on your left hand side and equate it to 0. So this is the equation of a straight line having the perpendicular distance 4 units and the angle of inclination is 15 degree. So first find the value of cos 15 or sin 15. So remember, you can learn these values instead of doing that. So you can directly write what is cos 15 and sin 15, just substitute the given value there. So next question, the vertices of triangle PQR are P2, 1, Q minus 2, 3 and R 4, 5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. First let us draw the triangle given. So here it is P, Q, R. Point P is 2, 1, Q is minus 2, 3 and R is 4, 5. So I have to draw a median from the vertex R, which is a straight line. Now I need to find the equation of these lines. So let me take it as this point as M and let me represent it in the form of x, y. Now observe this PQ. So PQ is a straight line and M is a point which is dividing the line PQ. Since we are talking about the median, the point M is exactly in the middle of the line PQ. So using midpoint formula, we can calculate the coordinates of the point M. Using midpoint formula, so M of x, y can be the sum of x coordinate by 2 and y coordinate by 2. That is 2 minus 2 divided by 2, 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So add the x coordinate and divided by 2, add the y coordinates and divided by 2. So the point mx, y is equal to 0, 2. So this is the point, this is the point which is a median. Now we have to find the equation of this line. Now we know this line is passing through two given points. What is the equation of line when it is passing through two given points? That is y minus y1 is equal to slope we need to find out, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this I need to find out now. So let me calculate the slope here. So m, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You can also replace m here and substitute the values later. So take this. Now this point is 0, 2. So y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0, which is 3 by 4. Now since I have taken this as x1, y1, the equation becomes y minus 2 is equal to, this slope is 3 by 4 into x minus 0. So cross multiply 4 here. So this becomes 4 into y minus 2 is equal to 3 into x. Or we can write it as 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the median, which is equation of the median. So first draw one rough diagram of a triangle, then construct a median through the point R. Since PQ is a straight line and M is dividing it exactly at the middle, using midpoint formula we can calculate the coordinates of M. Later on we can write the equation of a line passing through two given points, and two given points, one is median and the another one is point R. Find the slope, substitute in the general equation, then replace x and y terms. You will get the equation as 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Next question. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 5. So here we have a line which is passing through the point minus 3, 5. And this line is perpendicular to another line whose points are 2, 5 and 3, 6. So 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. This we can imagine that a line is passing through the given point and it is exactly perpendicular to another line. So we know that two lines are perpendicular when their slopes, that is product of their slope, is equal to minus 1. Using that concept, we can find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5. So first let me find the equation or find the slope of the given line. Now slope of line passing through 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. I'll take it as M1. So M1 is equal to, I can take Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So which is minus 1 by 5. Now since lines are perpendicular, we can write M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. So M1 is given as minus 1 by 5 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So cross multiply, you will get M2 is equal to 5. Now the slope of the second line is given. Slope is given and one point is given. So you can use the equation of point slope form. So using point slope form, equation of line is, so y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, the point is given as minus 3, 5. Y minus 5 is equal to m. What is m? We got 5 into x minus x1. So x minus of minus 3. So we'll get y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15 or 5x minus y. If you shift these two here, it becomes minus 5 plus 5 plus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the given line. So first you need to find the slope of the line which is passing through the given point. And they have said that those two lines are perpendicular. Since they are perpendicular, product of their slope is minus 1. So if you know the slope of the one line, you can find the slope of the second line. Now slope of the second line is found. Then they have given it as passing through minus 3, 5. So using point slope form, the general equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Take this as x1, y1 and your m is given. Substitute it, rearrange it, you will get the equation of the required line. Next question, find the equation of the line passing through 0, 2, making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. Also find the equation of the line parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance 2 units below the origin. First, let us find the equation of the line passing through 0, 2 and making an angle 2 pi by 3. So we can find the slope when angle is given because m is equal to tan theta. Now, what is given? The point is given. So given point 0, 2 and angle 2 pi by 3. So therefore, m is equal to tan theta, which is nothing but tan 2 pi by 3. So tan 2 pi by 3 means it lies in the second quadrant, or you can write this as tan pi minus pi by 3, which is same as 2 pi by 3. So pi minus pi by 3 is nothing but, so pi is 180 degree, 180 minus theta in the second quadrant, tan is negative. So it is minus tan pi by 3. So the value of pi by 3, tan pi by 3 is root 3. So your answer is root 3. So therefore what we can write? The slope is minus root 3. And the point is given. Again using point slope form, the equation of line is, so take this as x1 y1. So which is y minus y1 is 2 and slope is minus root 3 into x minus x1 is here 0. So use this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, which is a point slope form. Substitute, take the given point as x1, y1 and slope as minus root 3. Substitute. So you will get this as y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3x, or we can write it as root 3x y minus 2 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So since minus root 3 shift here, it will become positive. Now one more condition is given. We have to find the equation of line parallel to this line, which is 2 units below the y-axis. At first time it was 2 units above the axis. So the point here is, we can write it as 0, 2. Now I need to find the parallel line. So this point is now 0, minus 2. They have clearly said you it is at a distance 2 units below the origin. So below origin means your y coordinate will be minus 2. So the point is given and same slope. Why same slope? Because we know that 2 lines are parallel when their slopes are same. So using the same condition, now again given point is 0, minus 2 and slope m is equal to minus root 3 only. Why? Because they have given since lines are parallel. Since lines are parallel. Remember the condition, when the slopes are equal, the lines are parallel, or when 2 lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So now again using point slope form only. So point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Take this point as x1, y1 and slope is given. So therefore it is y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So this is y plus 2 is equal to minus root 3x, or root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore what are the parallel lines? One is root 3x plus y minus 2. Another one is root 3x plus y plus 2. Next question. The perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at a point minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line. So we have x and y axis. So a perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at the point minus 2, 5. So we have a line here. So the perpendicular line, so this is your origin point 0, 0, and this line is meeting this line at the point minus 2, 9, and they are perpendicular to each other. So now I know the points of this line where they are passing. So I can find the slope of this line. When I find the slope of this line, I can also find the slope of this line, and this line is passing through the point minus 2, 9. After finding the slope of the given line and given point, we can use point slope form and find the equation of this straight line. Let us find the slope of the line passing from origin and to the given point. Now, slope of line passing through passing through 0, 0 and minus 2, 9. So that will be equal to m1. I will take it as m1 is equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, which is minus 9 by 2. Now since lines are perpendicular, m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. So the slope of this line is m1, the slope of this line is m2. So m1 is minus 9 by 2 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m2 will be equal to 2 by 9. And the slope of the second line, this line I have got it as 2 by 9, and it is passing through the point minus 2, 9. So therefore the equation of line passing through, so what is the point given? It is minus 2, 9, minus 2, 9. That is implies y minus, so the point is given minus 2, 9 and the slope is given as 2 by 9, y minus y1 into m, which is 2 by 9, x minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2. So multiply 9, 9 by minus 81 is equal to 2x plus 4 or 2x minus 9y. So shift minus 81 there, it becomes plus 81 plus 84 plus 85 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of a line. So minus 2, 9 is the point. So you will get here actually on the negative x-axis. So I have taken only the rough diagram. So a line is passing through minus 2, 9 from the origin and it is perpendicular to one more line which is also passing through minus 2, 9. So find the slope of the line, that is the perpendicular line, and since lines are perpendicular we will get the slope of this line. It is passing through minus 2, 9. You can use point slope form and find the equation of a line as 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0. Yes, in today's session we have learned how to write the equation of a line on given conditions. So whenever the two lines are parallel, whenever two lines are perpendicular, whenever it is a median or any kind of a line having a slope and a point, we can write the equation. And we have learned various types of writing the equation of line. In the next session, we'll be learning about general equation of line and how to reduce the general equation into these various types of equations. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.